Hey guys, yes, we just posted another video, and this is probably going to be our second one in a day, but the video we just posted just uploaded, and Ava's watching it now, and I have 2 subscribers, but I don't know who my other subscriber is.
Riley and me.
How do you know it's Riley?
Because he subscribed to me.
I am going to end the video.
He said our videos are cringe. I'm like, what? Our videos are not cringe. They're the cringy ones here.
Who
Ready?
said that?
Ashton, and I will look up their account.
Was there a name?
This way.
If you're wondering
Look.
where I am, I'm right here.
He's really, really bad. That's off my porch, my thing. And that is Riley Kember. I wanna
He only has 4 subscribers.
probably wait. He has another account, doesn't he? Yeah.
That's the one who subscribed to me.
So he is subscribed to me. He is subscribed to that one. Okay, subscriptions. This is Riley's old videos. He does really good edits.
Quite honest with you, I ain't. That's when you press on, lean in. Half the population just waiting to see me fail. Yeah, right, you better off trying to freeze hell. Some of us do it for the females, and others do it for the retail. What I do it for the kids, like the time
I thought I'd do a couple of tongue tricks for you today. But before that, let's talk a little
Oh
bit
my
about
god, Ava, what are you watching?
Split tongue tricks.
Yeah. So I'll probably.
we should show them how we brush our teeth.
Okay, so we'll be showing you what we use.
We haven't brushed our teeth yet, so that's pretty gross.
Well,
I'm taking some home for my mom because she probably
we.
needs it. We should use these things first. Actually, no.
Sorry.
Alright, so you have charcoal toothpaste.
Yeah, we have charcoal toothpaste.
You gotta wet this.
And we're not doing it yet. Ava.
Oh.
And then this is my white glue toothbrush. We have a million of these packages.
This one.
Both have this.
And and hers is different to mine because it's different. Like mine's like that, and hers is actually no same. And then I'm taking one of these home for my mom.
Yeah.
If you don't know what they are,
They're
just
to get.
pluck off your teeth. That they're these little sticks, and they have like spiky stuff on them, and you rub it against your teeth and get all the plaque off before you brush your teeth.
Yeah. And
It has suction cup.
stick it on your mirror. Stick it on your tooth thing.
Like that.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if Ashton and Riley watch this, you're the cringiest people ever. So you can't talk about us.
Yeah.
Lol.
Bye.
Bye.